Hey, new to HDFC Bank? Welcome to a smooth and hassle-free banking experience. Transferring funds to your new HDFC Bank account from your non-HDFC account is now a breeze. PayZapp brings you the self-transfer feature. Follow these simple steps to transfer money from any bank account to your HDFC Bank account. Open the PayZapp app, tap on Bank Transfer from the home screen. Tap on Self-Transfer tab and click on Add Bank Account. And once the account is set up for payment, select the bank account to which you want to transfer the amount. Then enter the amount you want to transfer along with the message or title of the transfer. Choose the account you want to transfer from and enter your UPI PIN. Congratulations! You've transferred money to your new HDFC account. One app for all payment choices.
PayZapp by HDFC Bank. Pay your way.